All right, we're going to be changing the Tacoma's air filter in 1.5 minutes with one hand. Step 1, pop your hood. Step 2, disregard how dirty this engine is right now. Step 3, take off these 2 clips. Boom, boom. And remember guys, this air filter is how your car essentially breathes. So, I mean, this looks like a smoker's lung if you ask me. Got the brand new one ready to roll. Red STP. There's a part number for you. And the air filter can only go back in one way. So step 4, pop it in there. Step 5, close it and put those clips back. And we are done. Nice job. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you out. 1 minute, one-handed air filter change, 3rd generation Tacoma. Please give it a thumbs up if you find this helpful. Thank you.